Richard Southern is filling in for Mike Eppel this morning. Good morning to you, sir.
Kevin, how are you doing today?
I am doing well. Do you know what Frank was telling me? In fact, can we bring Frank in on this as well? Interesting from a business standpoint as well. Frank, you were telling me something happened to the future price of tropical plants, because you deal in that all the time, as soon as the storm warnings were issued for Florida.
Yeah, so now that Miami didn't hit that badly, so I'm expecting those prices to come down today. But that is an area, that's a hub of agriculture as well, the Florida area, of course. So there's going to be a lot of impacts to citrus and any produce that you're seeing on the shelves over this week and over the next week. You
know what, Frank will know this, that the Florida orange growers have already been hard hit. There's a virus that have caused the fruit to drop prematurely. So tough times for a lot of the orange farmers down in Florida, Kev.
All right, yeah. So what else are you watching this morning, my friend?
Well, the Blue Jays. You excited about the Jay game coming up?
Holy cow. I sat at the Burger Bar at College and Young yesterday watching the game with a whole bunch of other excited people.
Oh, thanks for the invite. I appreciate it.
Yeah, okay, it's in the mail. But yeah, I'll tell you, that third inning, that place was a rockin'.
It was something else. And you know what? Maybe they don't have the same type of fever about the series in Texas as we do here in Toronto. Tickets for today's game in Arlington going for as cheap as $24 US on StubHub. That's 31 bucks Canadian at today's exchange rate. So seeing today's game in Texas costs less than 2 beers at the Rogers Center. In comparison, the cheapest ticket for Sunday's game back here in Toronto is 100 bucks, and that's up in the nosebleeds. By the way, we're expecting lower than usual volume levels on Bay Street this afternoon, with the traders taking off to watch the ball game. All right, meantime, it's getting tough to make a living as a clown. Have you heard these headlines about clowns? A lot of people dressing up as menacing clowns in the U.S., scaring people. There's been numerous arrests, and as a result, a demand for clowns is falling. No joke here. The World Clown Association, a trade group for these entertainers, says membership has plummeted by about a third, and as a result, a clown salary just isn't going to provide you a very luxurious lifestyle. The average clown makes $36,000 annually. At the same time, clown costumes in high demand ahead of Halloween. Clown masks up 300% over last year. Bit of a flash crash this morning for the pound sterling. It fell to a 31-year low against the U.S. dollar amid concerns about a hard exit for Britain from the European Union. So Brexit concerns back top of mind for investors. And again, a big sell-off for that British pound as it dropped 6% at one point against the U.S. dollar before pairing those losses. Well, we were talking about Hurricane Matthew, and not only is it affecting all the orange growers in Florida, it's also affecting the price of oil. Crude is above 50 bucks per barrel this morning amid concerns that crude supplies could be disrupted as a result of that big hurricane. This is a near 3-month high for the price of oil, and you can see gold moving higher for the first time in a couple of days today. Kevin, back over to you. Go Jays, go.
All right, go Jays this afternoon at 1 o'clock. Thank you very much.